I'm not running.
Thank you for calling the Fairmont Olympic Hotel.
Okay.
My name is Melissa. May I have your name, please?
This is the Sheriff's Office. This is Deputy Martin from the Sheriff's Department. You can call the Sheriff's Department and confirm it. Are you calling here?
I'm sorry?
Are you calling here? I'm Deputy Martin from the Sheriff's Department.
No, you've reached Fairmont Hotel.
No one's called you. You can call the Sheriff's Department and confirm it. I'm here at Big Daddy's Pizza. Okay. Are you calling here?
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes?
Okay. Are you calling here?
No.
Nobody's calling your number.
No.
Shut the fuck up, bitch! Why you keep asking me I want to fuck? You got a sister?
You know what? Let me tell you something.
Good evening. Thank you for calling the Fairmont Olympic Hotel.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
What state do you live in? Hello?
Hear me? I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Did you come up missing? Don't blame me. Let me tell you something. Your name is Chuck and I come for your daughter, Chuck. What state do you live in? Hello?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Crown Plaza, Seattle. To assist you with your call, please choose from one of the following options. Please press 0 and the hotel operator will transfer you to reservations or to a hotel guest.
I'll transfer you now.
Okay. Who is it? Really?
Crown Plaza, Seattle, place to meet. How may I assist you?
Who is this? Really?
I'm sorry?
Who is this?
This is the Crown Plaza Hotel you've called. How can I help you?
Yeah. This is the Sheriff's Office. This is Deputy Martin from the Sheriff's Department. You can call the Sheriff's Department and confirm it. Are you calling here?
No, we have not called.
Are you calling here?
We have not called, sir. You have made a call.
Okay. No one's called you. Nobody's calling your number. Calling you and cussing you, okay? Why would I call you when I'm on the Sheriff's Department? Why would I call somebody and cuss them out?
Come on, listen, don't follow me.
Welcome to the Crown Plaza, Seattle. To assist you with your call, please choose from one of the following options.
I'll transfer you now.
You know what? Let me tell you something.
Thank you for calling Crown Plaza, Seattle. This is Sean. Where my director call?
Chuck? Hello?
Hello? How can I help you?
What state do you live in?
This is Washington State.
Missouri.
I'm sorry?
Missouri.
No. Can I help you with something?
Did you come up missing? Don't blame me. Come on, listen, don't follow me. You son of a bitch. Fuck you.